how to natively boot a Windows 11 virtual hard disk, VHDX. If you've ever wanted to test a Windows build, deploy a clean environment, or maintain multiple setups, native VHDX booting might be your best option. In this video, we'll cover how to natively boot Windows 11 from a virtual hard disk, or VHDX, and why it's a smart choice for IT professionals who manage multiple test environments or development workstations. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Before starting, make sure your device supports UEFI and Secure Boot, and that you're running Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. 2 ways to set up a native boot VHDX for Windows 11. Method 1. Create and boot from a blank VHDX. This method is ideal if you want a clean, standardized setup for enterprise use. Because this method involves several PowerShell and DISM commands, we've summarized it here. Here's the general process. Create a new VHDX file. Use PowerShell to run the new-vhd command, which creates a virtual disk. If your system doesn't recognize the CMLDT, you'll need to enable the hyper-v module. Initialize and mount the VHDX. Format it with GPT and create an NTFS volume. You can do this through PowerShell or disk management, whichever you prefer. Apply a Windows image. Mount your Windows 11 ISO, locate the install.wim file, and apply the desired addition to the mounted VHDX using the dism/apply-image command. You can list available additions using dism/get-wim info. Add the VHDX to your boot menu. Once the image is applied, use bcd-boot to create boot files and bcd-edit to add the VHDX as a bootable option. You can check the full command list in the blog for precise syntax and paths. Method 2. Install Windows 11 directly onto a VHDX during setup. If you prefer working directly in Windows Setup, this approach is faster and more straightforward. Boot from your Windows 11 USB installer. Launch command prompt using Shift+F10 during Windows Setup. Use diskpart to create and attach a new VHDX file. Specify the file path, size, and type. Then, convert it to GPT, create a partition, format it as NTFS, and assign it a drive letter. Once done, close diskpart and continue Windows Setup. You'll see the new virtual drive listed. Select it as the installation target. After installation, confirm your boot entry with bcd-edit. You should then see an entry pointing to your VHDX path like so. This means that you've successfully configured a native boot. Again, all the detailed commands and variations are in the blog for reference. Native booting from a VHDX gives you the flexibility of virtualization without the performance hit of a VM. It's perfect for IT admins, testers, and developers who want isolated Windows environments they can quickly deploy, back up, or move between machines. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to natively boot a Windows 11 virtual hard disk, linked in the description below.